behind me. If I might get bombed, okay? Just hold, guys, okay? Where are they going? They're southwest, right? Yo, just hold northeast side,
On
guys.
ping, on ping.
Come north.
Dito sila.
Come northeast, come northeast.
Nag-dismount sila, nag-dismount na.
Saan?
Nag-OC na rin.
Okay. Everyone will see. Boys, wake up! Got this
May
shit,
another
man.
blob northwest.
Yeah, I need one scout only on that. I need one scout on that only, okay? Aguila is here also, so careful.
South of you, south of you.
South of me? Southwest,
Yeah.
mean? Or south? Where are they?
West of you, west of you.
Come northeast. Okay, they're at the southwest side. Look at southwest side. Deftanks spread around. You spread around, okay? Yo, find their bomb agad, Deftanks. Find their bomb agad. They're gonna try to walk in, Yo, look at my party. Wait. Deftanks, If they walk in, Shallow, walk in shallow, Eggy's here, okay? Eggy's here. Brawl Eggy, shallow. Ready defenses. Fake only, okay? Fake only. We're gonna counter. Get ready. We're gonna counter. Hold only.
Mayroong tao sa north.
Hold only. Wait, boys. Wait.
Aguila North.
Okay.
Aguila
Behind.
Raging in north.
Yo, get ready.
Aguila behind,
Look on north side. We're gonna turn north side. Full turn north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full turn north side. On Aguila. Okay, then full brawl Aguila first. Full push Aguila first north side. Okay. Full push Aguila north side. Yo, hold my south side. Okay. Everyone walk southeast now. You walk southeast now. Brawl southeast. Okay. Yo, spread southeast side. Okay, brawl. Walk in brawl. Yo, find me. 3 seconds. Find me, everyone. Find me. Okay? On the juggernaut. Look at me on the juggernaut. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the jug. Full defense also. And spread. Heal up. Full brawl, guys. Full brawl. Heal up on the crown. Yo, heal up on the crown, okay? Brawlers brawl the people bonking the hideout, okay? Just spread around and brawl. Brawlers brawl the people bonking the hideout. Brawl. Keep brawling, okay? Ready, defense. Spread. Ready, defend the hideout. Yo, find me, DPS. Find me. Everything on top of me. 5. Everything on top of me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me. On top of me. Nice. Then spread and brawl. Full defend. Heal up, guys. Spread and brawl. Mag-walk-in and brawl kayo. Huwag kayo sa hideout lang. Mag-spread and brawl kayo. Good, okay? Ricky yung comeback if you're Everyone, find me. Southeast, get ready. Oh, Donnie. Walk in southeast. DPS, you're all clumped up north, guys. Hello, DPS. Find me. In the middle. Everything. 5 in the middle. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Then keep brawling around. Spread. Everyone out. Yo, yung party ko, why are you guys so clumped up north side? Hello? DPS? You're also clumped up dun sa northeast side ng hideout? Hello, guys.
And you are panicking because people are bonking the hideout, bro. You're brawling on the hideout and then you're clumping up. That's why you get deleted, man. Do not panic, man. Focus on the fight first. The HO will be safe if you focus on the fight.
Just chill, guys. Okay? Like, all of you, my club party is pushing to the... Ewan ko why you guys pushing to the wall there, sa northeast side. You just have to brawl around shallow, and that's it. That's the only thing you need to do, right? It's fine. You haven't come back to portal. I am seeing like brawlers brawling southwest side, which is good, right? It's very safe angle. Pero yung club party ko, my club party, I saw you all clumped up on the north side there. And you all got clapped really hard there. And what happened there? Especially sa sabong dun, it's not a fucking excuse for you guys to be there. There were so many people there that got clapped there on the north side. And listen, they're pushing you, right? If they're pushing you, you push them back. That's it. You don't stay. You don't try to push to the wall. Towards a wall, always. The moment you try to push to a wall, it's so easy to clump you up, guys. The only thing you need to do is to push them also. You don't have to be scared. Okay? Like, there was a wall, right? There was a wall sa northeast side and a lot of you guys were staying there for a long time. A long time talaga, as in a long time. Okay?